Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Luisito Bibiglat Jr., a participant of Sports Fest and Fun Games 2014 to 2015, of E.M. Castro Educational Foundation Incorporated, do promise, respect, and abide the rules and regulations in the true spirit of sportsmanship, friendship, and camaraderie.
In the true spirit of sportsmanship, friendship, and camaraderie.
No matter if I win or lose,
No matter if I win or lose,
what counts most in
what counts most is
how I conduct myself
how I conduct myself
and play my game with my competitors
and play my game with my competitors
for the glory of sports
for the glory of sports
and for the honor of our school.
and for the honor of our school.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you, Luigi. And now to officially open this year's Sports Fest, may I call in Teacher Rose L. Antonio, Assistant Directors.
Okay, players, I now declare the Sports Fest and Fun Games 2014-2015